Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. You must already own and verify the site in Google Search Console and have server or CMS access. First, check the redirect chain using a crawler or curl to see each response code. Note any 4XX or 5XX. Once done, export the URL list from Search Console Inspection or Sitemap. Make sure to identify whether redirects are server-side, plugin-based, or meta-refresh. This sets up the only way approach. Correct the source redirect, not just ignore the report. Now you diagnose the complex middle steps. Trace the full redirect chain to the final URL and limit hops to 1 or 2, ideally a single 300 one. If the redirect originates in htaccess, nginxconf, or a load balancer, edit the rule to point directly and persistently. If it's a plugin or CMS redirect, disable the conflicting rule and set a single canonical 301. Once changed, clear caches, purge CDN, and log the original and new responses so you can prove the fix to Search Console. Finish by validating. Use Search Console's live URL inspection to confirm a single 200 or canonical 301 at the final URL, then request indexing. Wait for the crawled status. Meanwhile, monitor server logs and Search Console coverage for any remaining redirect entries. If the error persists, re-evaluate DNS, CDN, or proxy-level redirects. These are common hidden sources. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the request from multiple locations or use an incognito curl to avoid cached paths. That finds proxy or CDN cache mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.